Today, I'm going to show you how to create a certificate in LibreOffice Writer step by step, even if you've never designed one before. This is a simple and beginner-friendly method that lets you start with a template, customize the text, add your own details, and then save the finished certificate as a PDF or print it out. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more practical software guides. Now, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once the program loads, look at the left side of the start screen and click Templates. This is where LibreOffice keeps ready-made designs that you can use instead of building everything from scratch. Using a template is the easiest way to make a certificate look professional fast. After you click Templates, use the search bar and type Certificate Template. LibreOffice will show you different certificate designs you can choose from. Take a moment to browse through the options and pick the one that fits the style you want. Some templates are clean and simple, while others are more formal or decorative. Choose the one that best matches your purpose. Once you find the template you want, click it to select it, then choose Open or Use Template. LibreOffice will open the certificate design in Writer, and now you can begin editing it. At this stage, the template gives you the layout, borders, fonts, and spacing, so all you need to do is replace the sample content with your own information. Next, click on the sample text and start typing your own certificate details. For example, you can enter the name of the person receiving the certificate, the event or course title, the date, and any award message you want to include. Be sure to keep the wording clear and professional so the certificate looks polished and official. If needed, you can also add extra details, such as signatures, a logo, or a seal. To do that, you can insert images or shape elements into the document and position them where they look best. A signature line near the bottom and a logo in one corner can make the certificate look more complete and realistic. You can also adjust the font size, style, and alignment if you want the design to look better. For example, you may want the recipient's name to stand out with a larger font, while the date and other details can stay smaller. LibreOffice Writer gives you full control, so you can make small design changes until everything looks right. Take a moment to review the entire certificate carefully. Make sure the spelling is correct, the text is aligned properly, and nothing is overlapping. This step is important because a certificate should always look neat and professional before you share it. When you're happy with the final result, click File, then choose Save As. Give your certificate a clear file name so you can find it later, and select the location where you want to store it. If you want to share it digitally, you can also export it as a PDF, so it keeps its layout and looks the same on every device. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a certificate in LibreOffice Writer using a template and simple edits. This is a great skill for awards, training completion certificates, school projects, events, and more. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.